This is for Module 10 and looking at price discrimination. I've chosen to look at musical theater tickets. So for my word problem, I'm looking at the theater has currently sold 50 tickets. So the following information is provided. For price, we're looking at 250 minus 2 times quantity of tickets sold. Marginal revenue is 250 minus 4 times quantity sold. For average cost, we're looking at 20, which is also the same as our marginal cost of 20. So for price, when we go ahead and substitute in the 50 tickets for our quantity, we come out to $150 for the price of each ticket. Our marginal revenue gives us $50. And our profit, when we look at $150 as the price for our 50 tickets sold and subtract the $20 per ticket for our average cost, we're looking at. So now we're going to look at price discrimination. So they decide to go ahead and change the ticket prices and offer two different ticket prices, one of $100 and one of $80 instead of the original $150. So we're going to still use the same equation for the price, but now we're going to take into account the two different prices offered. So for the $100, we're going to go ahead and evaluate for that, and then we're also going to look at the $80. So in starting to break down the formula, we can go ahead and start to calculate. And for the $100 ticket, we come to a quantity of 75 tickets sold. And for the $80 ticket, we come to a quantity of 85 tickets sold. So we get a total of $7,500 when we calculate the quantity times the price, and the $6,800 for the $80 tickets that are sold. We add those together. Those come out to $14,300. And then we'll go ahead and look at also the total quantities together, which is 160 tickets that were sold. When we go ahead and multiply that times the cost of $20, we're looking at $3,200 worth of costs. So when we subtract the costs from the revenue that was brought in, we get a profit of $11,100, which is much more than the previous amount that we had received. So what it's showing here is that the price discrimination actually made a bigger profit than it did for the non-price discrimination.